The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is one of the most iconic motorcycles in the brand's lineup, designed to capture the vintage charm of the 1950s with modern-day reliability. The 2015 model continued the tradition of offering a retro-styled, easy-riding, and relatively affordable motorcycle. It became popular for its rugged build, simple mechanicals, and signature thumping exhaust note. The Classic 350 was designed for riders who wanted an old-school experience, combined with enough power for city riding and occasional highway cruising. The 2015 Classic 350 retained the unmistakable vintage appeal that Royal Enfield motorcycles are known for. A sense retro styling, it featured a timeless, old-school design inspired by the post-war era, with a teardrop fuel tank, signature pinstriping, and a hand-painted Royal Enfield logo. A sense chrome accents the bike had generous chrome detailing on the exhaust, front rear fenders, and headlamp casing, enhancing its premium feel. A sense round halogen headlamp had a traditional round headlamp with a small pilot lamp, or tiger eye lamp, staying true to Royal Enfield's heritage styling. A sense wire spoke wheels that rode on 19-inch front and 18-inch rear spoke wheels wrapped in tube tires, giving it an authentic classic look. A sense single-seat design, optional pillion seat. The standard model came with a spring-mounted single saddle seat, which improved comfort. A pillion seat could be added as an option. A sense metal bodywork. Unlike many modern motorcycles that use plastic, the Classic 350 featured metal fenders and fuel tank, contributing to its solid and rugged build. A sense color options. It was available in various colors like black, lagoon blue, ash, silver, and chestnut, each with hand-painted pinstripes. Although motorcycles don't have a conventional interior, we can discuss the seating comfort, ergonomics, and instrumentation. A sense riding posture. The Classic 350 had an upright and relaxed riding stance, thanks to wide handlebars and center-set footpegs. This made it comfortable for long rides. A sense seat comfort. The spring-mounted seat offered a cushioned ride, especially on rough roads. However, the optional pillion seat was not very comfortable for long distances. A sense instrument cluster. It had a simple analog speedometer with an odometer and a basic fuel gauge. There was no tachometer or trip meter, keeping things minimalistic. A sense switch gear quality. The switch gear felt basic but durable, with easy-to-use controls for indicators, lights, and the horn. The 2015 Royal Enfield Classic 350 was powered by a simple but robust single-cylinder engine, designed for relaxed cruising rather than high-speed performance. A sense engine. A 346cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled, 4-stroke engine. A sense power output. A 19.8 bhp at 5,250 revolutions per minute. A sense torque. A 28 Nm at 4,000 revolutions per minute. Great for low-end pulling power. A sense transmission. A 5-speed gearbox with a smooth but slightly clunky shift mechanism. A sense top speed. 110 km per hour, but comfortable cruising was around 80 to 90 km per hour. A sense acceleration. A 0 to 60 km per hour in 5-6 seconds. Not fast, but torquey enough for city use. A sense weight. A 187 kg, curb weight, making it relatively heavy for a 350cc bike. Ride handling. A sense suspension. A telescopic front forks and twin gas-charged rear shock absorbers offered a comfortable ride on rough roads. A sense brakes. It had a 280mm front disc and a 153mm rear drum brake. Decent for its time but lacked ABS. A sense fuel efficiency. A delivered around 35 to 40 km/L, making it relatively fuel efficient for its class. Strengths. A sense strong low-end torque made city riding easy. A sense comfortable for long-distance cruising at moderate speeds. A sense durable engine that could handle Indian road conditions well. Weaknesses. A sense vibrations at higher RPMs, 80 km per hour and above. A sense gear shifts were a bit clunky. A sense heavyweight could be difficult for some riders in traffic. The 2015 Classic 350 was not a tech-heavy motorcycle, but it had some essential features. A sense carburetor system. Unlike modern fuel-injected engines, it used a BS3 compliant carbureted engine, requiring manual choke use in cold weather. A Sense electric start kickstart. It had both an electric self-start and a traditional kickstart mechanism. A Sense basic instrument cluster and a digital display, just an analog speedometer and fuel gauge. A Sense no ABS or traction control. Relied on a basic braking system without electronic safety aids.